So in this video, we're going to show you how to draw part 5 of the tractor on Onshape. So if we just simply sign in, create document, part 5 of tractor. In this drawing, we're going to start here with this hole in the very, very center. So we're going to sketch on the top plane. I can straight down it. So we're going to hit circle. And if we look at that circle, it's dimension 6.5. So hit D on your keyboard. Now, next we're going to draw this shape here. It's going to go around this part of the tractor. So draw a line starting anywhere in the center. Now see the way the little dashed lines there is telling us it's going straight up. Again, the dashed line is telling us straight across. So it's going up, over, up, and then down. And then over and down again. Now when all the lines are in blue, it's telling us hit escape to get rid of the line command. It's telling us that none of these lines are dimensioned, or so we need to start now looking. So the distance from here to here is 6. So D on your keyboard, and we're going to go from here to here, 6. The distance from here up to here, 17. And the distance from here to here, 6. Because this here total is 12, and this is exactly in halfway. Then we know from here to here is 47. You can see the lines now are all starting to turn blue for us. This here is 12 and 23, so a total of 35. And from here to here is 22. And this bit here to here is 26. This yeah, that's it all done there now. So then we go mirror. Where do we want to mirror? Around the center line. Sorry, mirror around this center line. We want this line, this, and that's that section of the sketch completed. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to do this top part up here, and then we're going to dimension these holes here, and then we're going to mirror them around. Now it's not exactly the same down here, so we'll adjust that or fix that there when we get to that part. So we're going to draw a line. If you can try and keep everything on the one sketch as well, makes things much easier. So the distance from here to here is 16 and 28, which is 44. So I'm just going to hit dimension here to here, 44. And then we'll continue on. This is going to come in here, up here. And dimension. From here to here is 44. This then back line is here 17 and 25, which is 42. This here comes back from here. Here to here is 28. And here to here is 25. So the big one here is 94. Here then it's 12. So here then it's 50 from here to here. This again is 12. This is 12. This is 12. And this little gap in here then is 10. So this little gap here now is 10. And this gap from here to here is 15. From here to here. Okay. Oh, there we go. 15. And this here is 17. Here to here. Yeah. So that's the whole outline of that there part drawn. Again, we're just going to mirror around this line. This. Here, this. And like I said, some of this is going to change. So that's that part completed. So we've just got a few little circle in here. Now it says up here in the drawing, any undimensioned holes. Undimensioned holes are 3.5. So this hole here, there's no dimension for that there, so we can presume D. Put that there. It's 3.5. And we can tell that there to here 6, because it's going to be right in the center, and from here to here 6 as well, so that's okay like that. Now, in order to mark out center for this line again, when we go to etch this out, the X will be there first to drill that hole, because it won't etch out that hole first. Now, there's a little fillet in here. Instead of 5, we want to make that just 2. We've got a hole here. Got a hole here. Got a hole around here somewhere. You can see those are those 3 holes there. 1, 2, 3. So these 2 here are 3.5. So if we actually click, there's a little trick, hit escape there. We click this circle, and this circle, and we make those equal. Because we told that one there is 3.5, then it's going to make those the same. And then for some of the dimensions for these, we've actually got to get it from down here. So from here to here is 18, and then up 10. So D on our keyboard, here to here is 18, and down 10. Undo that. What's the problem there? If it was red like that, it's trying to tell you that there's some issue. What we might have to do. Maybe it's because we made it equal. Right, undo that there. I'm actually going to have to delete this. Just delete it. Now, dimension. Here to here. 10. Here to here. 15. And this here. 3.5. Again, we're just going to do a line. Hit escape. Hit L. Line. We're going to delete this one too. Click on that line there. Delete it. Circle. This one is 18 plus 22. 22 from the center there, actually. So dimension. Sorry. D, our keyboard. From here to here. 32. Just double check that there's 10. Perfect. And we'll check that there's 3.5. So that's that circle around there. Now this circle is over and then from this one here, further 20 and up 15. So from here to here, 20. Good, good. Here to here is 15, and this is diameter 4. Now, so those three circles now can be mirrored down to here. So mirror along the center line, and actually mirror those as well. This, and line. Escape line. Escape again, and line. Escape line. We'll mirror those down as well. Skip. So again, go back to mirror. Right, this line, and this line, and this line, and this line. Just double check everything's down there now. Yeah, perfect. Right. Next, oh, forgot to bring this fella down here too. So we're going to mirror this, and then this. Now, what we're going to do is get rid of these two lines. So if we hit M, trim, get rid of that, and we're just going to draw a line now from here out. I didn't do that exactly. No, I didn't. Okay, we'll just trim